Exciting, exciting, and boom. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. Come look at this, Sophie. That's very cute, right? Really cute.
That's really cute.
So cute.
That's tiny. Like you can get it.
Get everything else though. This does not want to cooperate, does it?
Oh, this is cute too.
Oh.
That's cute, right? We gotta pull the sticker off. Just so we know, the case is not waterproof. It has a sticker that says that.
Oh. Only camera?
Look away the camera. Isn't that cute? Okay, you ready? Your turn? Let's hit it.
Maple's dreams have come true of being recorded.
She's gonna be a director.
Yes.
Action.
Action, Maple.
Stay out of that.
Yeah.
Not too hot.
Momo, she's a fluffy top. Maple's the one.
Just getting a nice shot of
Butt.
Momo's butt.
Yeah, that's a good girl.
Gotta find it. There we go. And action. Daddy's action this time.
Let's go.
You wanna wear it?
On the journey.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Come on.
Maple, you're a pop star now.
Hey man, we're back. Here you go.
Thank you. Maple.
Hey, wait, you take off.
I want the most chocolatey one.
These are so cool, babe. So, I don't know if you knew all this. I've showed you some of it, but this is the charging case, and it's also a controller. So the camera's in here. You can control different things in here. You can set this up as a tripod. So if you go to like a cafe or somewhere, you can just set it there and record yourself.
That's
'Cause I
cute.
like to do that, you know, look all pretty and go at the cafe. So you can change all the settings. You can record from in here, and the battery lasts longer because it's in the charging case. Or you can pop it out, and it gets
That's
really
so
small.
mini.
It's so small, so
Yeah,
cool.
smaller than daddy's thumb.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's actually what they say. It's smaller than your thumb. Okay, my thumb is a pretty big thumb.
Yeah, if it's smaller than my thumb, then
It's
that
not
would be-
smaller than your thumb.
yeah.
That would be crazy. But how cool that is. You can wear it on the medallion, which I don't have on. You can wear it on all sorts of attachments on your forehead, your third eye, you know, something cool.
And this one.
That
Yeah.
one's adorable, I think.
So this one's
It is.
awesome. This is just the Minion version, right? And there you go, the Minion eye, right? But also, it's so cute.
Yeah.
I love the smiley face.
I love it. It's so cute when you pull it out too. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I love it. So we brought this to the swimming pool, and I'm really interested to see how it turned out. Video Should be pretty cool because it's waterproof.
Hello.
I can't do it for that long.
But yeah, all you do, put it wherever you want it on your medallion in the stand. You can press the record button if it's in the stand, or just press the button right here.
Yeah, just ポチ。
And then, and then it'll blink and you're recording. Okay, ready?
Barely.
Oh, it's in! Woo! Pretty cool though. Really neat. It's just adorable.
Yeah.
So I think these are the same spec-wise and everything. They're both the Insta360 Go-2s,
But this one's cuter.
but this one's adorable. And again, you just snap it back in. It's all magnetic. You can do the legs again. Feels like kind of feels like a butterfly, like beetle wing or something.
I think the Minion one looks smaller, but it's not smaller.
It's not smaller, no. Really cool.
こうや
But
って
it's so slippery. You have to be
三脚
really
にも
careful with it.
なります。
But yeah, no one would even notice if you're recording with this like at a restaurant or in a cafe, you know? That's what's pretty awesome about it.
Go, jump in a circle.
I gotta catch you.
Other way, turn. This is impossible.
How you doing? You gotta time it just right.
Really?
Okay. Okay, shall we eat?
Chocolate chip. I'm terrible at getting wrapping off. I can't do it.
You know, I never thought that it would be as convenient as it is having such a small camera. It's just so nice not to have to carry around a big thing. And people pay less attention to you, which is always nice, right? You don't want to get too much attention. Perfect snack.
Take my mind and run with you. You shine so bright in your blue suede shoes. I don't got